What's up, YouTube? Seem to have misplaced a little bit of footage, but anyways, welcome. I will show you what's going on. All I did was clean this up and cut that piece out back there, and then I started working on this. Started getting that out of there. It's kind of hard. I need probably my Dremel and the cutoff wheel. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, I want to cut this. See, I put the tape here just to kind of guide where I want it. We'll see if that's where it ends up. But that's where we're at. We're going to cut that real quick. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, it's kind of nerve-wracking cutting into something that was between $300 and $400, but it's decent. Let me try and set it up in there, and we'll bring you up. Okay, if I don't manage to kick the camera or knock it off or bust my ass, we'll be having a good day. Definitely not a final fit. Still have more to cut out. Not too shabby. For the first fitment, it looks pretty good. Get you guys a little closer. Oh, that piece of metal was holding it that I got bent. Still got to go back a little bit, but I still have tarboard in here, behind here, so it's not going to go back any farther. I got to cut the screws off on the other side, but yeah. It's not too bad. Let's take and mark. Just go mark right there. So we're going to cut that. And this right here. You guys can't see that, but I can see it. Yeah. Pull it back out. We'll take some measurements. We'll cut that nub off on the back. Let me mark it on the bottom. I'll bring you over there for that. Give me a second. So this is what I was talking about. What to cut this. And here. Other than that, it's pretty good. Oh, we gotta bend that back. We'll shape this, bend that back, and then cut it, and then we'll fit it again. Wonder if I can. Gotta cut that out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld the whole seam across the top, and then where we cut it here, we'll weld this whole thing, and then we'll weld over there. So it's going to be a little tedious welding, but we'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. It's getting close to dinner time, so I will see you bright and early first thing in the morning. Okay, let's try this again. So, I don't know what happened. I just recorded like 5 minutes and it wasn't recording for some reason. I think it was my fault. Operator error. I'll take responsibility. So what we have is we got this in. I do need to do a little bit of trimming here because it's not letting it go back all the way. So I need to take probably, actually, you know what? I'm going to trim a little bit off of here and then a little bit off of the body, and that should set back. And well, maybe it'll. Huh. Maybe it is okay. Ooh, that ain't okay. Huh. Let's go around the backside. That's what he said. And we'll check out the fitment back there. Let me bring you right back. Okay, so this isn't all the way back, the bottom, for some reason. I'm assuming because it's not all the way down in the front. Huh. This needs to come back to like, I mean, I can clamp it back, so, but I think this needs to come back. It's like it's, that little thing is caught on like a weld or something. And then I also have to straighten out this lip. So let me straighten out that lip. I'm gonna pull this back out, straighten out anything that's like bent. This needs to come up. So we'll do a little bit of trimming, a little bit of straightening. All we're gonna do is up on the top here, there's a little bit. We're gonna take that little bit off. The gray part, not the black. See how down there it's all the way to the top. So we're gonna do that. And then we'll fit it again. Let's bring it back. Okay, dropped my camera, broke my mount. Yay. Man, we need a camera that can handle this stuff. Looks fairly decent. I gotta shape it a little bit down here where I bent it. But yeah. This goes right back to here. This welds right to here. Same for over here. I'm not going to do this until I get this side piece put in, but I'm going to throw some paint stripper on it and get all this electroplating or whatever it is off. Yeah, fits really good. It's got a little bit of a gap, but we're going to lift this up a little bit. Oh, yeah, not with one hand, I ain't. But I'll bring you back in a little bit. I'm gonna strip the paint off. You guys don't need to see that. It's pretty lame. Just put some liquid on it, let it sit, and then scrape the liquid off. Okay.